Alright everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. I was doing a squirrel hunt, walking around, kind of doing a video of my property that I'm going to share. Missed a squirrel early this morning, but now I'm back at the truck, and I'm just going to just create a quick meal while I'm here, and then I'm going to take the camera and kind of walk down this other path here and kind of show you where my property, kind of what I have for hunting here. But for right now, I'm going to try this Cup of Noodles dill pickle. So this is a limited edition Cup of Noodles dill pickle flavored. So I'm just going to use my Pathfinder pack stove, my military mess kit, and I just got a bottle of water here that I'm just going to use to add some water into the pan when I cook it. I like to cook these noodles right into my mess kit. It's never been a problem. So I'll use the utensils from the mess kit to put it together. So yeah, that's about it. So I'm just going to do a quick cook video here with this limited edition dill pickle flavor. That's got to be weird. And then I'll just kind of do another walk around. So stay tuned, everybody. Alright, so I've got my GSI utility utensil kit here, which I just needed my Pathfinder lighter that I got when I went to school. I do have my shotgun over here in case the squirrel does pop out while I'm cooking. That would just be my luck. But for right now, let's go ahead and get this started. So I'm going to open up this dill pickle. You can see all the noodles and the kind of flavoring that's in there. I'm going to dump this. If I can get it out, I usually can. Just crack it a little bit, like this. Wow, it really smells like dill pickle. There we go. Perfect. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of water here and here. I know there's a fill line, so I just fill it up to that fill line and then pour it in here like this. That should be enough, but if I feel like I need more, I'm just going to add more. I'm not going to worry about it. It all tastes good. Let's go ahead and get the stove on. There we go. And we're going to do this. Now I'm a little bit of an angle here. So my truck is actually facing up a little bit, so you can see in the water's a little bit back, but that's no problem. I'll just go ahead and let this boil. Turn this up. We'll get that water cooking and get those noodles swirled around. I'm just going to use one of my, either my big military spoon or my fork to kind of break it up. But that's about it. I mean, there's nothing to it. I love these little quick ramen meals. It's so convenient. So let's go ahead and let that boil and finish up, and then I'll bring it back for a taste test. So thanks, everybody. Alright, everybody. So the noodles have rehydrated with the water that we added. It's been boiling. It's one thing about these military mess kits. You know, it doesn't take them long to heat up. So when you're cooking stuff with a lot of liquid, it's not a problem because nothing really burns. But if you were cooking something else, sometimes it does get a little too hot too quick and might burn whatever you're trying to cook. So, but I do like just cooking these ramen noodle meals right in this military mess kit. I don't know, for some reason I just really like this, using this mess kit. So let's go ahead and turn this off. And I'm just going to lift this up, and I'm just going to kind of do a quick show you there. I mean, it smells just like dill pickle. So I have no doubt this is like some of those other ramen specialty flavors, ones I've done, like fajita and barbecue buffalo, or what was it, buffalo chicken pizza flavored. So it's all kind of the same. So I'm just going to kind of take a little bit of noodle here, try it. Yeah, I mean, it's just noodles with that dill pickle flavor. I mean, it's not bad. It's good. It's just interesting if you like dill pickle flavor. I do. So, yeah, not too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I'm going to do some more filming, kind of walk around the property here a little bit. So thanks, everybody, for watching. If you like what you see, please just go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. It's just a little quick meal video. Appreciate all the views and comments, and we'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.